Good morning. What's up, dudes? I'm gonna keep this one really short and sweet today because I don't have a lot of time today, and I haven't had a lot of time all week. I've been working my ass off on this garage, trying to get it done when I can, when I have the time, and I haven't really had time. So I didn't really film much at all. That's why the notice is, the uploads are kind of all over the place. They kind of suck. Everything's. I just woke up. Anyway. I'm gonna give you a little tour of what happened, what's up, what's going on in the garage. Like I said, I had very minimal time to do it, so I didn't film. I just got into it, did the work. So we'll start in the back in the storage area. I'll show you what's up. You guys saw these shelves go in. You saw me put the tires and stuff up there. So there's a whole bunch of storage. The ceiling's not done, the walls aren't done, and the reason for that is that I just don't feel like spending money on that right now because spring is here and it's time to get the cars out. So that's why that's like that. You guys saw this stuff. I put the bead blaster here. Those tires, always have tires everywhere. The saw, the grinder. Got a little cool stand for it. Over here, I got the press. I got the press stuff. The press. Anyway, so the press, the tire balancer there's because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I don't know if it works. We'll have to try it out. And if it doesn't work, it's not worth keeping because I got one of those little manual ones. Moving on here is just gyprock that I took down when I took down the walls. Jesse's hood for high rocks there. Some more transmissions. You got transmissions lying on the ground because we went to see Grandpa Wilson and he gave us a bunch of stuff he had lying around that he was looking to get rid of, I guess. And well, he's super cool at supporting what I do and what Jamie does, who's his grandson, and so stuff like that, it's just very appreciated, and we're gonna definitely do something cool with those. So this is actually the wall that I moved over. If you guys remember, there used to be a door here. This wall was over almost 5 feet, almost the width of that gyprock. If you look over on the other side, this is where we're gonna, we're gonna put a tractor in here and stuff, but there's the old door. You see the red gyprock around it? So along this wall, got those I'm gonna have to do something. Those are cabinets, those are gonna go up on the wall. I'm nowhere near done here. This is absolutely nowhere near complete. Keep that in mind, please. I still have a lot of organizing to do. I still gotta make like shelves and little things. And what are you guys doing? And yeah, so for now, that's sitting there. Toolbox is there. Got my jack stands, my floor jacks, fire extinguishers, portable compressors, cool little traffic light deal, some stools, and my air compressor. So up here, here's a Harley Quinn thing that I painted a few years ago. And lots of wall space here. I might airbrush some sort of cool mural or something, and also above the garage door is all black, so I might do like some flamed out kind of thing there. And hey, you guys, what are you guys doing? What's up, what's up? You guys gonna help me clean today? Please, oh no. You bum. Crazy fool, he's got a crush on her. Hey, here's a bunch of old storage stuff, dude. That's a bunch of 240 stuff. That's a front end actually from Monza. Yeah. What are you doing? Kids these days. Are you gonna finish this tour in here or what? Okay, so continuing on. On that side, I put the tire machine there. Where that bucket sits, that's probably where the bubble balancer would go roughly. I gotta cut this edge of this countertop thingy off because it sticks out too far. There's some cabinets, is the cool stuff, the fun stuff, the videos. Initial D collection. Yeah. TV, the PS3 for the music. Here's all my autographed pictures from the dudes down at Formula D. Got some more there too. There. I gotta clean this shelf off big time. Big mess. So on this side, got another cabinet there. The toolbox. This is all my cleaning stuff is in here. This is like a little trophy thing, and I suck, so I don't have any trophies. I just put my old helmet in it. And my baby, my Acadian. Some Acadian parts. Ceiling's half done. And that's kind of where I am now. So I just figured I'd give you guys a quick update on that, let you know what's going on, what's up, what I've been up to, why I haven't been uploading that much. Just because I'm busy, working on stuff. Spring's here, getting ready, everything. Here, there, everywhere. Not even working for my own stuff most of the time, unfortunately. Anyways, so I will see you guys next time.